Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today it's wetter than it was yesterday. And it's raining. Yesterday I brought the tractor up. Odo had left it out along the lane there. I tried to go around where I wouldn't get the tires muddier than they were, but that didn't help. So it's falling off onto my gravel, which is not good. The gravel is sinking because all the clay underneath of it, wherever we walk or drive. Only thing I've drove up here other than the tractor getting it back up here is the golf cart, and it's sinking the gravel too. One thing I don't like about this place is the clay soil we have here. It's hard to grow anything, and the mud tracks onto your tires. It sticks, so sticks to your boots, sticks to your tires. Then it picks up the gravel and moves it to somewhere else other than where it belongs. Anyway, today I'm not for sure how much I'm going to get done here. It's not too cold. Probably, I don't know, it must be probably close to 50. At least it feels like it. We get the chores done. Have to walk out through the mud to get that accomplished. So right now the pigs are hiding in their houses. The little outside pigs are. Trying to stay out of this wetness. Yeah, it's nice and muddy out here. I should have got this graveled, but I didn't. It's too late now. Poor pigs in the mud. Hang on. Alright, Harold's throwing a fit now. Harold, that's enough. You are just spoiled brown. Yes, you are. Oh, I see you knock your water over. Not good. Okay, everybody should be happy now. Harold and his little friend. Yeah, the chicken run's a little muddy. The roof leaks right here in front of his door. The gate. Ducks love it. They're the messiest creatures I've ever known. Alright, I'm back up to 9 eggs, which is good. It's about normal. You guys happy? I hope so. Gave them some beans, and all of them actually got some beans. These donated beans. They love them. Now for the walk across the mud. She don't care. Gotta tiptoe across the mud. Of course, this mud right here is not as bad as the other mud. More clay in the other ground. This is got some fill dirt. It's white when it dries out. Silly dog. Let's get out of the weather. Getting wet. Wetter. Come on, dog, let's go. Come on. Silly? Oh, yeah. Feels good sitting in front of the fire. My hands are froze from being wet out there. Sure feels good. Well, it has rained all day long. This place is just saturated. I'm not for sure when I'll be able to get the my car trailer that's down there out. We got to use it to get Odo's Jeep. It's my oldest son, so we can work on it. But at this time, that trailer will sink in the mud. It's got to freeze or dry out. Most likely it'll freeze before it dries out. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a great dry evening.